if the localized parts of these storms develop strong winds or full, more warnings can be given. 1600 DIGHTING This afternoon D.C. A large number of shower storms developed in the area and heavy rain, lightning, some strong wind gusts. Full pockets continue to pass from south to north. Yellow boxes. Wind gusts and full of damaged warnings. Green boxes are flash flood warnings. Capital Weather Gang. The 9th of September 2023 are full prediction. Severe storms with flood torrential rainfall are a source of concern tonight and then tomorrow. A violent storm time is valid until 2300. Tonight scattered shower heavy rain and storms with lightning. Lightning is probably full throughout the morning. It can pass to the early morning. The temperatures is possible in the moist upper 60s. In low to 70s. An irregular fog. Tomorrow scattered shower and storms once again. The threat of severe winds or hail looks lower. But some storms can produce heavy rain and floods. Or kidnapping. Shower and storms can continue in the evening before one night decreases. Strong to strong storms in the next few days of water raids. Downpour. Flood torrentials are a common threat between the potential of today's and tomorrow. Look at the graph below from the Air Estimation Center. Shadow shading shows the potential to raid the water in our region. The storm's afternoon this evening had chance to return to marginal, severe. For accuracy, we can see only one severe weather in 25-mile radius of any position. Full or wind shadows for accuracy. Fortunately, the violent chance for tomorrow is lower than today.